Right. Going over the short fight really quickly. For number 1, you need to combine the x and y intercepts. I know it's been like a few units since we did that. So put 0 in for x or for y and solve for the other x or y. So for this one, I put 0 in for y, solve for x. And then put this in order here, -6, 0. And then do the opposite. Put 0 in for x and solve for y to get +3 or 0, 3 as the intercept. Questions on number 1? For number 2, you needed to use this -1/3 to evaluate. Put -1/3 in for all of your x's and simplify. You would have gotten 1/9 -1 -2. And when you combine all of those things, you get f of -1/3 equals -26/9. Or you could write it as f of x equals -26/9. Questions on number 2? For number 3, you needed to simplify, so distribute, combine your like terms, so you get x plus 14. And then on the back, number 4, you needed to solve this equation, so distribute, combine like terms, and then get the variable by itself. After you do all of that, you should have gotten x equals 1. And then for the very last one, you needed to graph that one. Start at your y-intercept of 1. Your slope is a -3, so go up 3 to the left 1 as many times as possible. Or down 3 to the right 1 as many times as possible. Do we have questions on either of these problems? Alright, so if you are missing or did not finish the Unit 5 test, you are working on that first. And then those that are missing Unit 3 or Unit 4, not Unit 5. And then those that are missing Unit 3 or Unit 2B tests or further, we'll be working on those. And then I'll pass out other tests I've graded if you want to retest, and you can start that process. While you're waiting for those things, you can be working on missing Khan Academy and those math, or the coloring sheets in the back. Does anyone have any questions on what we are doing for class today? So you guys can start working on missing assignments or the things in the back or other schoolwork until I contact you about tests or reports.